Understanding engine maintenance, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and very practical topic, engine maintenance. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a beginner driver, or simply curious about how things work, understanding the basics of engine maintenance can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and explore what engine maintenance really means and why it's so important for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Engine maintenance refers to the regular checks and services that are performed on a vehicle's engine to ensure it operates efficiently, safely, and reliably. This includes a variety of tasks such as changing the oil, replacing the air filter, checking fluid levels, and inspecting engine components for wear and tear. The goal of engine maintenance is to prevent problems before they occur, saving you from expensive repairs and extending the life of your engine. Regular engine maintenance is crucial for several reasons. Prevents engine damage. Routine checks help identify and fix small issues before they become big problems. Improves performance. A well-maintained engine runs more smoothly, providing better acceleration and power. Increases fuel efficiency. Keeping your engine in top shape can also help you achieve better gas mileage, saving money on fuel. Ensures safety. By preventing engine failure and other problems, regular maintenance keeps you and your passengers safe on the road. Here are some essential tips that every car owner should follow. Change the oil regularly. Oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, but it gets dirty over time. Changing the oil and filter according to the manufacturer's guidelines is critical. Check the fluids. This includes coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid. Keeping these fluids at the right levels and in good condition is essential for engine health. Replace the air filter. A clean air filter ensures that your engine gets plenty of clean air, which is vital for efficient combustion. Inspect belts and hoses. Look for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks, as these components are crucial for various engine functions. Listen for unusual noises. Unusual sounds can be early warnings of potential engine problems. If you hear anything odd, it's best to get it checked out by a professional. That wraps up our guide on engine maintenance. Remember, taking care of your engine is not just about preventing breakdowns. It's about ensuring your vehicle is safe, efficient, and enjoyable to drive. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of engine maintenance and how you can keep your vehicle running smoothly. Drive safely, and see you in the next video.